Changing the working time in Microsoft Project allows you to customize the project calendar to reflect your team's actual working hours, holidays, and non-working days. Here's how to do it. Access the project calendar. Open your project. Start by opening the project in Microsoft Project. Go to Change Working Time. Navigate to Project, Change Working Time in the toolbar. This opens the calendar where you can modify working hours and days. Modify the default working hours. Select the calendar. Choose the calendar you want to modify. If you need a custom calendar, click on Create New Calendar. Adjust working hours. In the Change Working Time dialog, select the date or dates you want to adjust. Then click Details. In the Details dialog, you can set the working hours for the selected days. Add holidays and non-working days. Mark non-working days. To set specific days as non-working, select the dates in the calendar and click on Non-working Time in the Details section. Set recurring non-working days. If certain days are non-working, you can set this recurrence in the Details dialog. Apply and review. Save changes. Click OK to apply the changes. Review your schedule in the Gantt chart view to see how the changes impact your project timeline. Adjust tasks. If necessary, adjust task duration or dependencies based on the new working time settings.